Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show to you how to fix audio problem in Windows 10. So let's start it. Here you can see the driver is missing, so the crossbars are seen in the audio. So you can just right click on it and troubleshoot the problem. Just wait for loading. Here the problem is detected. You can select which types of audio driver you can use. I am using Retex, so I can select the Retex. Then you can click yes and close it. And another method to open this setting, you can just simply type the setting and search and go to the system and search sound, and here you can see the troubleshoot. You can just click on it. Wait a second, the problem is detected. After you can click yes, and here you can see which types of driver you can use. Then select and then press yes. Then another method, you can just type on search bar driver, then click on device manager. Then here you can see all the drivers present in your laptop. You can just click on the audio driver to see the your driver is present or not. Here in my case all drivers are present, but in your case the driver is missing. So you can just click on action and scan the drivers. Here you can see all the missing drivers, and you can just update all the drivers. My drivers is already updated, so in this type you can update all the drivers as well as install. So these all the drivers you can install manually. To install the manually, please see my second video related to the driver installing.